Okay. Hi there. So this is the team we are actually working on the SOL-MCP server. So this is Dr. Noincat and my partner Xiaodao. So our MCP server is for piercing and analyzing the Solana blockchain instruction. And here's like the GitHub you can actually access, and you can apply in the API key from here, this website, and just by logging your GitHub. And I want to show really quick about how to use or access to it. Firstly, just here, go to WSL. Sorry. So this tool is like we try to solve like some like a real life problem by like when actually the first time when we actually meet with the Solana transaction, it's really like me and my coworker, we do find it's actually very hard to understand. So what if you can actually understand the Solana transaction right in your favorite AI powered IDE? And this is our goal to build with. So I just show you like some transactions, some representative transactions we can analyze with. So this is a transaction I find out like from like a couple of weeks ago. It's a it's an arbitrage transaction. It's kind of switched from a USDC to USDC among like two different stacks, and it will return some like tiny profits. And I found this interesting, and then I just want the AI to do analysis for me, and actually it turns out giving very good results. So basically, the SOL-MCP, you can think of it as a universal translator for the Solana transactions, and take the blockchain data and make it understandable for AI. Let's wait a bit. It's saying like the request is going to frequency, so I might just take it longer. Yeah. Here it's directly calling the server for the get Solana transaction. Since we're using a free server, so it's can't really take so much load. Okay, so here is a basic summary. So you can see the key details about the status is successful and the time, specific time and the block, at which block, and then it's giving you the financial flow of for each of the account, how much they got and the initializer, and how much profit they generated. So this is the ending profit. Yeah. And this thing, they actually give a one-line summary saying this appears to be a legitimate DeFi arbitrage or using the successfully executed. And I'll show you a different one. So this is another happen like just I just grabbed from the SolScan Explorer. And this one is also our attempt to do arbitrage, but it seems like this one actually failed. So this is how we actually kind of analysis for a different type of transaction. Let's see, let's try to use the so try to get to the program subcalls, but it turns out it's showing some error, so it's all changed to a different form by changing a different program parameters. But through all this process, we don't need to do anything. All we need to just kind of provide the TX, the transaction, and then I'll return the results. Let's wait a bit. Okay, so here's then the result. And also summary. Here's a sophisticated arbitrary transaction, and it's actually give you like the key finding for like the breakdown into the details of each of the parts and the compute units and how many accounts are involved and about the instruction flow. And for this one, it's what's happening here. Yeah. So this is like our like a simple demo for our SOL-MCP server project. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Thanks.